So this is the finale of our run-of-the-mill personal injury case that we're doing a deep dive on. And so just to remind you, our client went to the emergency room and incurred a $7,000 bill. She was initially offered the whopping sum of $6,000 from our generous insurance company. She called us, we got involved, we worked on coordinating all the medical benefits, the medical payments coverage, her own personal health insurance, and the net sum total of that allowed us to present a package to the insurance company, and through the process of negotiation, we were able to settle her case for $24,000 instead of the $6,000 that was offered in the beginning. So we got 4 times the amount of the original offer. And the really impressive part of this whole analysis, and the reason why I wanted to share this with you, is that keeping in mind that she started with a net negative $1,000, or the amount that it would take to pay her $7,000 bill would require her to pay out of pocket $1,000, to where at the end of the case we had every single bill paid, including her attorney's fees, including the cost of getting all the medical records, including everything. So she walked out of the case with a completely clean slate after having received all of her treatment, and we were able to put $10,594 in her pocket. And so as you ask yourself whether or not I need an attorney on my own case, I would just share with you that the simple fact that we got on board this relatively run-of-the-mill case that went from a single ER visit to getting a moderate amount of treatment and just the proper application of all of her available benefits resulted in a change from a net negative of $1,000 to more than $10,000 in her pocket. And that's tax-free. That's a real meaningful difference in this client's life. And it's one that we can do over and over and over and over again. And so if you find yourself in an accident and you're sitting around the kitchen table and saying, I don't know if we really need an attorney, I would suggest to you that this outcome makes the phone call to an attorney absolutely necessary. And I hope when you come to that point, you'll give me a call at John Fuller Law, because we'd be happy to help you.